Badge 4, AI-Inspired Innovator. This badge is designed to equip participants with the knowledge and skills to leverage artificial intelligence as a catalyst for entrepreneurial success. The program consists of 2 sessions. The first session, Building an AI-Powered Mindset, introduces the transformative role of AI in entrepreneurship, highlighting its potential to enhance entrepreneurial thinking and decision-making. Participants will engage in lessons on testing business ideas, gathering market intelligence, and understanding AI's role as a transformative force. The second session, Leveraging the Power of AI for My Entrepreneurial Business, focuses on practical applications. Topics include deploying AI agents to improve operational efficiency, testing business ideas with AI tools, and maximizing business success while minimizing failure costs. Through videos, podcasts, readings, tutorials, and assessments, participants will gain actionable insights and hands-on experience. This badge prepares learners to integrate AI into their ventures, fostering innovation and resilience in dynamic markets. The course is structured into 2 engaging sessions. Session 4.1, Building an AI-Powered Mindset. This session explores AI's transformative role in entrepreneurship, emphasizing its impact on entrepreneurial decision-making and its use in testing and refining business ideas. Session 4.2, Leveraging the Power of AI for My Entrepreneurial Business. This session covers practical applications, including deploying AI agents to optimize operations and maximizing success while minimizing costs. By the end of this course, participants will analyze the emergence of AI as a transformative force in entrepreneurial practices and its implications for innovation. Evaluate AI's role in enhancing entrepreneurial decision-making and enabling market-driven innovation. Develop strategies to use AI tools to test business ideas and generate actionable market intelligence. Design and implement AI agents to streamline business processes and enhance operational efficiency. Apply AI-driven strategies to maximize business success while minimizing risks and costs associated with entrepreneurial venture. This badge is perfect for professionals across industries offering practical knowledge to enhance workplace performance. Students from any academic background bridging theory and practice to prepare for the future. Corporates, a tailored course for organizations to upskill teams and develop AI strategies. This badge requires 3 hours of active engagement, including lessons, videos, readings, and assessments. To fully absorb the material, plan for an additional 3 hours of reflection and analysis, making the total time commitment approximately 6 hours. Start your AI journey today. Enroll in the AI Essentials Explorer badge and unlock the AI-powered version of yourself. Take the first step toward mastering AI and transforming your future.